You can do it. Don't even think about the camera being there, huh? Don't even think about it. Yeah, just do it. And she did go this way that time. Yeah. You went the other way. You don't care which way you roll, do you? Yeah. Just roll over. It'll be all over. Yay! That's all it takes. Good job, Molly.